श्री वी विजय साई रेड्डी जी।
Thank you, Vice Chairperson, Madam. MSME sector is in India is key to the growth of Indian economy. There are about 75 million MSME contribute to the 1/3 of the GDP of Indian GDP and 45% of manufacturing output of the country. These companies, these MSME companies, provide employment to more than 110 million Indians. Therefore, the sustained growth of MSME and health of MSME are very important factors to achieve India's GDP growth targets. I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister the two concerns which I have, and I hope the Honorable Minister will address these issues. The first concern is GST payments. Madam, MSME find it difficult to make the GST payments within 20 days of raising an invoice when they get the payments from the suppliers, from the buyers, almost for about 90 days. GST payment obligations have made the perennial working capital problem for all the MSME sectors throughout the country. Therefore, it is imperative on the part of the government to address this problem instantaneously. Madam, therefore, there should be a longer window. My suggestion in this regard would be there should be a longer window for the payment of GST and for the filing of returns for MSME filers. There should also be a reduction in the penal interest rate on late payments for MSME in order to encourage the MSME sector under certain threshold of revenue. The next point which I would like to bring to the Honorable Minister is financial problems. These two concerns I am bringing it to the notice of the Honorable Minister. Credit plays a vital role in development of MSME as cheap funds can increase their competitiveness. So increasing the competitiveness is very important for the MSME sector because it contributes almost 1/3 of the GDP and provides maximum employment to the maximum employment. Due to their small scale, MSMEs are not able to raise the risk capital or give substantial collaterals to get the bank loans. Therefore, the government should ensure timely credit to MSME to the extent they are not starved of the finances. Andhra Pradesh is leading by example here, which is promoting lending to the MSMEs on the basis of their size from 25 lakhs rupees in the form of bank loans and up to 1 crore for a medium scale industry. This has led to the establishment of 6,572 MSME units in Andhra Pradesh in the last 9 months or so. So in conclusion, I acknowledge the Gadkari ji for empowering the women by helping them becoming an entrepreneurs. He has recently mentioned that there are now 80 lakh women entrepreneurs in MSME sector in the country, a commendable jump of 38%. Therefore, there should be some reserved products mandatorily to be produced by MSME, and they should be assured of purchases by the government. A major share shall come from MSME if India wants to achieve 5 trillion economy as desired by the Honorable Prime Minister. So I request the Honorable Minister to address both the concerns, that is finance problem as well as the GST problem which are being faced by MSMEs. Thank you very much, Madam.